In this video, we're going to learn how to load images from the internet. I have a table which stores the photos of these employees on the internet, as you see. Let's go to ATL. So currently we have a report which shows various reviews and we want to display the photo over here. The first thing we will do is drag the photo object, which is here, picture object, right on a group header. Do not select any photo over here, we will use code to do it. Click on OK. While this is selected, click on before print, double tap, and this page will open up for you. Now this requires a single line of code. My images are stored here in this column called online. We are going to use data link. This will be provided to you. Just simply paste it over here. So picture1.data link is equal to the variable online. Click on save, review. You'll have to wait for some time because all the photos are loaded from the internet for this, as you see. And if you give it some time, all the photos would be loaded one by one. Hope this is helpful to you. Here we go. Thank you.